Hello everyone, and welcome to Techno Bright channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, an upcoming foldable smartphone that is expected to be released in August 2023. What is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it is rumored to feature a number of improvements, including a more durable design, a larger and more vibrant display, and improved cameras. Specifications. Some of the key specifications of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 are expected to include a 6.2-inch cover display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a 7.6-inch main display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB or 1 TB of storage, triple lens rear camera, 10 megapixel front camera, a 4,400 mAh battery. Software enhancements. Samsung has optimized the software to take full advantage of the foldable form factor. The multi-active window allows you to have 3 apps running simultaneously, enabling true multitasking. Additionally, Flex Mode adapts apps to make the most of the larger unfolded display. The software experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is truly a game changer. Price. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be priced starting at $1,799. It will be available in 3 colors: black, beige, and light blue. Samsung Z Fold 5 is worth it? It depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful smartphone that offers a unique foldable design, then the Z Fold 5 could be a good option for you. And if you're not sure if you'll like the foldable design, then you may want to wait until the Z Fold 5 is released and read reviews from other users. You can also try out the Z Fold 5 at a local Samsung retailer before you buy it. For me, I'm super excited to get my hands on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and try it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about smartphones and other tech products.